My name is Michael King. I'm the Air Quality Analyst with the Southern Union Tribe Air Quality Program, and I'm going to run through the plumbing behind our gaseous analyzers. I'm going to start on the top here, which is our inlet tube. This inlet tube extends above the air shelter roof, about 2 meters above the air shelter roof. Encased inside a electrical conduit, which is about 3/4 inch in diameter. This inlet tube is basically Teflon tube. It's 3/4 inch in diameter as well, and it comes down through into our manifold. This is a glass manifold. It's 1.25 inches in diameter, and just below this manifold is a manifold fan. And we have 2 sample lines coming into the manifold. Our first sample line is our NOx and CO sample line, and below that is our ozone sample line. Following this Teflon tube of our NOx and CO sample line, it'll take you to a T, and from this T, this Teflon tube heads into the sample port of our CO analyzer. And on the other end of the T, branches off into this Teflon tube into another T, and at this point, the Teflon tube continues into our external solenoid, and it also tees off through this Teflon tube, which then enters the sample port of our NOx analyzer. Going back to the manifold is our ozone sample line. Ozone sample line, if you follow the Teflon tube, heads to a T. At this T, we have a Teflon tube that heads up to the sample port of our ozone analyzer. And coming back to this T, the other Teflon tube heads from that T down to another T, which breaks off to 2 Teflon tubings. One goes up to our external solenoid and back to the T down here. And the other Teflon tube goes up to our ozone calibrator. And this is our multi-gas calibrator. Okay, we use our multi-gas calibrator to run our weekly zero span and precision checks. This is our gas cylinder, which provides the calibration gas. It's a dual blend of CO and NOx. And if you follow this Teflon tube, which comes off our gas regulator, it goes up into our multi-gas calibrator through our sample A port. And basically our gas calibrator provides our span level, which is 400 parts per billion, and our precision level, which is 90 parts per billion. And it is outputted through this Teflon tube here on the output port, and heads into our external solenoid. Calibration gas is then pushed through the Teflon tube here, hits this T, and runs back into our NOx analyzer. And follow this Teflon tube here, it'll go into our CO analyzer. And the same thing goes for this Teflon tube, which basically goes down and branches off into this T and into our ozone calibrator. And this Teflon tubing branches off into this T and shoots into the ozone analyzer. And our zero span and precision events are all controlled by our data logger here, which sends a continuity signal to our gas calibrator and tells it which event it wants to initiate. And if you look down here, we have our zero air supply, which provides our blank or zero air concentration used for our zero events, and our basically our ZSP events. And below here is a gas air compressor that provides the air for a zero air supply. And that's the plumbing of our U1 air monitoring site. Gases analyzers.